Alright, hey guys, it's Jimbo here, and I am going to be cleaning my backpack because it stinks. It totally reeks, especially after Saturday's 22-mile day hike. I sweat it out, and it's been getting pretty nasty. It usually doesn't start out nasty. It just, as I sweat, it just like overly stinks as I sweat. But now it's to a point where when I'm within a 2-foot radius, it smells like sweat and disgusting body odor. So I'm tired of smelling it, so I'm going to wash it. I've watched a couple of videos. Angela sent me a couple. Angela has watched a couple of videos, so together I think we figured this out. And it's going to take a sponge. We're going to use the soft side, not the scrubby side. We got some eco-friendly Dawn, which I think it's eco-friendly because they always show us them using it on oil ducks. So that, and then what else? I'm going to get a bucket over here. I got me a bucket. I'll rinse it out so it'll be a little cleaner. And it's going to take a beer. And for today's video will be Convict Hill Oatmeal Stout, the stuff I drank on the float trip with Sparky. Good stuff. Good stuff. So hang tight and I'll show you what else we're doing. Okay, so I feel like I shouldn't have to say this, but some of you people don't know about the obvious, but the first thing you want to do is empty your pack. It's the first thing I did. I actually set up a table and just put all my crap in there, or on there I should say, and then I flipped it upside down and dumped it, and it ridiculously stinks. So for this one I'm not really going to worry about the inside because the inside is good. I'm mainly worried about, I'm going to clean the exterior. I'm going to clean the hell out of these pads here, and this thing, and the whole backside, and the belt. I'm going to clean the exterior like I said, but my main focus is this foamy stuff and this backside because my back sweats really bad, and the belt I think is going to be a stinky spot. So we're going to try it out. I don't think it's going to take much soap. Pretty easy so far. I really don't think I need that much of this. Just enough for my sponge, really. And then I'm going to try to keep it out of the inside. Give it a good soaking. Get all that stink out of there. I've had it for over a year now. I bought it last August, so this is August 23rd. So it's been over a year, just barely. I feel like you should wash your packs at least once a year, whether they need them or not. Get all the stickeries off there. It's relatively clean, it just has body odor, which I guess means it's not clean. Alright. So that's pretty good. Then you just have to go to town with your top side of your sponge, which I lost my sponge. I thought I put it right there.
No.
No? Diagonal. You can see that?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so now I'm just going to use the soft side and work it into the sweat glands of the belt. And I think this is pretty important since this pack cost me it was $3.50 just for the base, and then I've got add-ons to it, so I would really like to keep it nice for as long as possible. This part actually rubs against my stomach, so it gets sweaty. Like I said, that foamy belt stuff is what's most important, and then I'm also wanting to just kind of give it a good cleanup on the exterior. Doesn't take a whole lot. That's not really all that dirty. It doesn't get a bunch of dirt. I don't like swim in the swamp with it, but it does sit in the dirt sometimes, especially underneath my hammock, and the bottom of it sometimes will get dirty. So the bottom of it's kind of important. I see some stains, it looks like. And I'm not going to get too rigorous with it. I just want to knock off anything that's fairly loose. definitely important since I'm getting ready to do a long hike. I don't want to smell this thing for 14 straight days. It'd be nice if it starts out fresh, and maybe if it works bad, then that's okay, but I damn sure don't want to smell like it smelled last week. Last weekend sucked. It stunk so bad. Yeah. Better do this side too, I guess. It's probably not nearly as dirty, but do one while I do the other. Alright. I think that's probably good, don't you? The roll top really doesn't.
Smell it and see.
Well, I want to rinse it, then do that. Okay, watch yourself. I want to make sure I get all that soap out of that padded part. Convict Hill, Maine, Texas, America. I'm going to do the belt one more time, call it good. Smell test. Doesn't help that I have body odor right now. The belt smells good. Yeah, I don't smell anything. Here, give it a shot.
Oh, God. No.
Do you smell anything at all?
Nothing.
All right, cool. So now all I gotta do is rig something up to where it can be open upside down. Open all the pockets and call it good. So, you want to help me find something to hang this up with?
Sure.
Okay. Alright, so the only thing I could think of to put inside, I needed something to go inside it that would hold it nice and tall. I was thinking like a skinny trash can or something, but actually I got this old tripod that I think might work really good. I'm going to put it on the back deck. Right now it's a little bit daylighty, but here shortly, as you can see, there's a shadow, so it won't be in the direct light, and I don't really want it in the sun. I don't want those UVs any more than it has to be in it. So I'm going to just slide this thing right down this. I'll close the light a little bit, make it work. Kind of looks ridiculous, but I think it's going to work. I just want it open in there so it's not, so it gets dried easily. What do you think, babe?
Looks good. Looks brand new.
Hopefully it'll smell brand new. Jeez. I'm not sure how many miles I put on it, but it sure stinks. It did stink. Alright, well. I want to thank the ever beautiful and mega talented Miss Puddles here for helping me. Babe, thank you. It was a good job. And that's how you clean a gridstop backpack. Thanks for watching. Okay, well, it's been a day. Last night I let this thing sit out on the porch until dark, and before I went to bed I brought it into our den and I put it over a vent so the cool dry air can still go up inside it. And let's take it outside and see what it looks like. I have to say the tripod seemed to work really well. Let's take a look at it in daylight. Ray, you want to go? Come on. All right, so that's what we got, and it looks really clean. It looks almost brand new. I'm gonna get the old smell test. It just smells like foam now, so it looks like it worked really well. So one thing I like to say is, this is a Zpacks backpack, and it is made from gridstop. This method that I've used is pretty generic and can be used on just about any fabric, including Dyneema. So, you know, a lot of the ultralight backpacks are now made of Dyneema, and this is how, if I had a Dyneema pack, this is how I would wash them. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and that's pretty much all I got for you. It was a pretty simple video, but it was one that, you know, I figured while I learned how to do it, I would teach you how to do it. So by golly, we both learned something today.